I'm going to start this video with a disclaimer. This object you see here is dangerous to work with and should be treated with the ultimate respect. Also, the process I'm about to show you is not always 100% effective and can yield additional dangers. So that said, let's get on with the video. This is an 18650 lithium ion cell which is found in a multitude of different brands of battery packs for power tools, amongst other applications. This one, however, is faulty. It's showing 0.01 of a volt, which is basically nothing. I'll show you a reset method and explain why you may not want to do this. Why this cell has failed, why they usually fail. There's an internal failsafe below the positive terminal underneath this. When this triggers, it stops the battery connectivity. It can't connect anymore. It usually happens due to a rise of pressure within the cell caused by heat. It triggers it and fails it. But I can show you how to reset it. The first thing you do, and I'm saying don't try this at home, is cut away some of this material. Now once you've done that, you've lost a wee bit of connective material, but that's not an issue. You can sort that later. If you look way in there, right in the center, there's a thing that's sticking up and it's convex. You have to push that down. If I push that down with a screwdriver in there, it's more concave. Try to get right up to you see. Right there in the center. I push that down, it doesn't take too much. And as a result, put the meter on it again. The meter showing a viable voltage, which was showing none before. That's the cell back viable now, so please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and watch my other content. I've got a ton of battery videos up there, so get in there and get viewing, get watching, get liking, get subscribing. Thanks for watching.